Here at Family Dollar Distribution Center, our name says it all, because that's exactly what we are, family. We work together, eat together, play together, and we turn hard work into a paycheck and a lifestyle. But sometimes it's nice to get a little pat on the back and for someone to say, hey, good job. Family Dollar wants to do something just a little special for when our associates do something just a little special. So here's a chance to knock our socks off. Introducing SOX BUX. Your immediate supervisor will be watching, and when he or she sees you making a special effort, you'll be rewarded with SOX BUX. Accrue your coupons over time and redeem great prizes. Just another way Family Dollar wants to say thank you for being a part of our family. And if you have a friend or relative looking for a job, hey, refer them to us. We're now hiring for the second shift. And no matter your lifestyle, we can find a great fit for you. Family Dollar. Our name says it all. Thanks for being part of our family.